Hello sweeties! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany and today I will make one baggy Gucci. I will try make one baggy Gucci because everyone won't have a expensive brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel. And yesterday I'm looking for video and thinking what I won't have. And look and say, oh my god, I see that baggy. Yes, it's so expensive. And I think, yes, I can make one not equal, but similar for you in home. And let's go try. First step, we need to buy one baggy. And let's go shopping. Yes, now I'm in my favorite shop, Mirunas. Let's go see if we can have one baggy and start. Today I use my dress, my sandal shoes, and let's go try. No, only ugly bags. And now I will cry. Let's go next shop. Now I'm new shop. The name is Östpendeln. I don't know. I can't say the name because it's so strange. But let's go see. Yes. We have the bag. And now we need to look for patchwork, the rolls. Yes, after 2 hours I finished have my bag. I paid only $3 USA dollars. Yes, let me see again. Yes, only $3. Maybe you can see. No, but believe I paid $3. And now let's go buy the roses because we need roses in here. Shopping. And ta-da-da-da-da-da. Look, I need 1, 2, maybe 3. I don't know. I need to see. I forgot to say the name of the shopping. I buy in Panduro. 4 rolls. No have the similar, of course, the Gucci rolls, but we can work. And I paid $3 too for everyone. I buy 4, and let's go try work. Now we need to buy sparks. I don't know the name sparks. Maybe it's not sparks, but I will say sparks today. Let's go shop again. Now I am in the textile shop and look for stuff. Panduro. I buy. I have 3 different size. The power sticks. I buy in Panduro. Yes. And let's go try. I don't know, but okay. And I buy 2 this. What is this? I don't know. But if you can see a bag in here, they have one metal. I forgot the name of the metal, but I think yes, I could buy the similar. And I made a similar, fake similar, similar. I think if I have glue, I can make like that. Sometimes I have a good idea and I hope that is a good idea. I don't know. But let's go work. Okay, the first step, I will make this because it's important to have when I fix the rolls. I need to see. Okay, and I will use my favorite glue. It's glue I buy in Brazil. The name is acrylics. It's permanent glue. It's very, very good. I use it for my eyelashes. But we need to see. I will fix my finger. Yeah, and let's try. Yes, I have one decision. In the bag, the original bag having roses in here, but I like that. Look good. Yes, I will fix. Let's go. The original I can use one. I forgot the name in English, but fell. We can fix hot, but I will use my glue, favorite glue, of course, and try if it's work. Now it's time for fix the rolls. I hope I can, because if I run, yes, and it's no work good. Ooh, look at that. Inside, we need to decide how we can show the flowers. I don't know, maybe like that, a little bit more, and together too. Oops. Maybe like that. Let me see. Perfect. Now it's time for fix the pearls. And I need to use, of course, the for pink. And now I have hard work. And so let's go make. Amazing, Oh my god, I love that. I really, really, really love that. Because yes, I'm finished, and now I will show my new similar Gucci. Okay, it's not exactly copy Gucci, but it's similar. Maybe we can see the difference. Yes. So I like it. It's so amazing baggy. I don't know what you're thinking. Please give the comments if you like it, and give me two ideas for new. I hope you like it. And see you soon in the next video. Bye.